voltage signal is described by V equal to V naught for the time 0 to t by 2, and it is equal to 0 for t by 2 to t. So for a cycle they have given, we need to find root mean square value. Root mean square value, you should remember that first we have to square the function, given function, then take the average value, then we have to take the root of that. So in integration method, how we will do? It is always, say here we are finding over a cycle. So we have to do the integration between 0 to t over one cycle. So what you have to do, square the function. What is the function? Voltage. So square the function, taking the average will be 0 to t v square dt by integration of dt. This is the average, correct? And then we have to take the root over this. This is v average, okay? And then we are finding the root value of this. So we have to find it. But for that we need function first. How will you find the function? It is clearly given over a cycle. So draw the graph. When you draw the graph, what is that? Here, this is v value. This is given time. So for the given time, 0 to t by 2. 0 to t by 2 and then t by 2 to t. So what it is given, v equal to v naught. It is a constant value. For between the entire half cycle, it is a constant value and it is given by v naught. So it will be like this. And for the remaining half cycle, it is 0. So for your understanding, I am drawing. So it will be like this. So this is our graph. This graph is not necessary, for your understanding I have written. So now you can carry on. So first write the function. Okay, so what is v square? V square equal to, they have given that. V square is, okay, v naught square between what? 0 to t by 2. And v square is 0 between t by 2 to t. Okay, just find out the average value. So VRMS is given by what? VRMS is given by this one, integration, what it will become? This is square root. When you take it, this integration is this nothing but 1 by t it will become, correct? So I am not writing here, I am directly writing here. So 1 by t integration 0 to t by 2. Why I have taken t by 2? Because there are two things they have given. 0 to t by 2 one value, t by 2 to t. So I am splitting that integration, okay? So 0 to t by 2 v square dt plus t by 2 to t. The next half cycle v square value into dt, the whole to the power 1 by 2 square under root. Okay. So VRMS will be equal to what? 1 by t. Here, what is the value of v square? It is v naught square dt, which is a constant. And here it is t by 2 to t, 0 dt. So our calculation will be easy because of this 0. So now next is what? The second term cancels because it is a 0. And now the first term, it is 1 by 2. V naught square is constant. I am taking it outside. 0 to t by 2 into dt. Okay, to the power 1 by 2. So VRMS will be equal to 1 by t. V naught square by t. Integration of dt is what? T. Okay. So between the limit 0 to t by 2 and it is half. So v naught square by t into first upper limit and then lower limit. Okay, lower limit is 0. So to the power half. So now what it will be? It is v naught square by t into t by 2. T cancels. V naught square by 2. So this is VRMS value. So VRMS is VRMS square. Okay, whenever we find it, what it is? VRMS only. Here it is half. So it will be V naught by root. V naught by root 2 is the correct answer. So don't forget to take the square root of this. So V naught by root 2 is the correct answer for this.